So I just got this particular piece today. It is a 22, and it is made by. It's called a Revelation 100, and it's made by. Let me see if I can get that to zoom in for you. Western Auto Parts, and I actually just put the scope on here that came off my Dawn BB gun actually. And this thing is scoped in so perfect. It is a bolt action. You got a beautiful furniture on it. Oh my God, that thing is pretty. Majority of the stuff I have is pretty much is already it's polymer, so it's that plastic stuff and everything else. But this right here feels so much better. And what's cool, I like it because once you release it, it goes into a what they call it. It goes into a safety mode, which is really cool. Um, this actually came off of whatever that little BB gun thing called. I got a powerful BB gun. The thing shoots like 473 feet per second, so it's pretty strong. And this right here, um, since I can't shoot squirrels with a BB gun in the state of Georgia because it is against the law and it's very humane. That's what they told me. So I have this, and actually created a little range in my backyard. Hold on, let me show you my range. So it's pretty much nothing back there. It's probably it's a good that backyard over there is pretty much about 2 miles long. But this is my little range thing I set up on. So I can tap the hell out of those all day long. That one I'm just, I'm beat it up. But it's poison ivy down there. I ain't going out there in that poison ivy, so I just shoot at the little plates and stuff out there. Now, yeah, I think I busted out a window in that shed, but hell, we don't use that shed. That shed been like that for years. But that's my little play up setup. So hold on for a second. Let me see if we can get a good shot in so you guys can see it. So I'm gonna show you guys how this bolt action shoot, and just to let you guys look at the aim of this thing. I'm gonna hit that big ring down there. Let's see if we can hit it. Got on safety. I'm sorry. Here we go. Did pretty good, huh?